Welcome to this market overview of the hand tools and wheeled implements market. The global hand tools and wheeled implements market was valued at USD 22.64 billion in 2023 and is projected to reach USD 32.81 billion by 2031, growing at a CAGR of 5.44%. Market growth is driven by rising urbanization, infrastructure development, DIY activities, and demand from construction, agriculture, manufacturing, and maintenance applications. Asia Pacific leads the market with 43.70% share, valued at USD 9.41 billion in 2023, and is projected to grow at the highest CAGR of 6.08%. North America is the second largest region. By product type, shorthand tools held the largest share at 32.04%, valued at USD 6.90 billion in 2023. Medium rakes also led by rake size with 43.53% share. To know more about our research services, visit www.verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.